Airports, the gateways to the world. For most of us, they're places of excitement, chaos, and endless lines. But behind all the noise and bright lights lies a hidden world few travelers ever see. From secret rooms to unspoken airline tactics, airports are full of mysteries the industry doesn't really want you to know about. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 12 airport secrets airlines are actually keeping quiet about. Stay till the end, because number 1 will change the way you travel forever. Number 12, the hidden passenger profiling system. Ever wonder why some people get randomly selected for extra screening while others just breeze through security? It's not random. Airlines and security agencies quietly use behavioral profiling systems that analyze your travel history, payment method, and even how you walk or talk at the counter. The system flags patterns such as last-minute bookings, cash payments, or one-way tickets, which can instantly move you to a higher risk category. So, that random pat-down or extra bag check, it's part of a silent security algorithm at work. One you'll never see, but that already knows more about you than you think. Number 11, the secret lounge hierarchy. Think airport lounges are all about luxury and free snacks? Not quite. There's an entire tiered network of private lounges you'll never see on a normal ticket. Some are accessible only through invitation, reserved for celebrities, politicians, and ultra-wealthy flyers. These lounges are hidden behind unmarked doors and offer everything from private customs clearance to sleeping pods and even in-house spas. Most travelers think first-class lounge is the top, but in reality, the true elite lounges are invisible to the public eye. Number 10, overbooking is not a mistake. When airlines say your flight is overbooked, it's not an accident, it's strategy. Airlines intentionally sell more seats than they have because they know a certain number of passengers won't show up. It's all about profit. Even if 1 or 2 people have to be bumped, the airline still makes more money overall. What they won't tell you is that you can actually get paid for it. If you're flexible, you can negotiate compensation, free flights, hotel stays, and sometimes hundreds of dollars in cash for volunteering to take the next flight. Just remember, overbooking isn't a glitch in the system. It is the system. Number 9, your luggage is scanned for more than just security. Sure, baggage scanners are there to detect weapons or illegal items. But here's something airlines never mention. Your bags are also scanned for shape, density, and potential damage. That means if your suitcase already looks broken or overweight, it can be quietly flagged for extra inspection or even denied a check-in. Airlines do this to avoid future liability claims for damaged luggage. In short, your suitcase tells a story, and airport staff are trained to read it before it even hits the conveyor belt. Number 8, crew rest compartments, the secret rooms above you. Ever wondered where flight attendants disappear to during long-haul flights? Hidden above your seat, often near the tail or cockpit, are tiny crew rest compartments, secret sleeping areas built right into the plane's body. These compartments aren't accessible to passengers and are reached through hidden doors, sometimes disguised as storage closets or stairs. Inside, there's just enough room for a few narrow bunks, dim lights, and a curtain for privacy. Next time you're flying halfway across the world, remember, while you're struggling to get comfortable in your seat, the crew might be napping just a few feet above your head. Number 7, airport prices are not random. Why does a bottle of water cost $6 after security? It's not greed, it's design. Airports have exclusive retail contracts that let stores set premium prices. These contracts include high rent, special taxes, and even marketing fees, all passed on to you, the traveler. But here's the twist. Prices are calculated psychologically. Research shows that travelers are more likely to spend impulsively after stressful experiences, like security checks or flight delays. So, when you grab that $10 sandwich, it's not an accident. It's a scientifically engineered business move. Number 6, airlines manipulate cabin temperature on purpose. Ever noticed how airplanes always feel a bit too cold? That's not a coincidence. Studies show cooler cabins reduce the risk of passengers fainting, something that's surprisingly common due to cabin pressure changes and dehydration. But there's another reason airlines won't tell you about. Colder cabins mean fewer complaints and less movement. A slightly chilly environment makes passengers quieter, calmer, and easier to manage, especially on long flights. So, next time you're shivering midair, remember, it's not bad temperature control. It's psychological temperature control. Number 5. Pilots often sleep mid-flight, legally. Yes, you heard that right. Pilots are allowed to take naps while flying, under what's called controlled rest. On long-haul flights, one pilot can rest while the other monitors the controls. On ultra-long flights, there's often a third or even fourth pilot rotating shifts. These rest breaks are crucial for safety, but airlines don't like to mention it because it makes passengers uneasy. So while your captain's voice might sound calm and alert at the end of your 10-hour flight, chances are they've had a nap somewhere along the way. Number 4. Your airplane seat might be listening. In recent years, several major airlines have quietly installed in-flight entertainment cameras in seatback screens, originally for video chat, features, or motion detection. But here's the catch. Most of these cameras are never disclosed to passengers, and they're not disabled. While airlines insist they're inactive, privacy experts warn that they can be turned on remotely for testing or maintenance. It's not a conspiracy theory. It's written in the manufacturer manuals. So, next time you're adjusting your seat screen, maybe put a sticker over that little black dot. Number 3. Airline safety videos are also marketing tools. Those quirky or funny airline safety videos, they're not just for safety. Airlines discovered that if they make the safety briefing entertaining, passengers are more likely to film and share it online, giving the airline free global advertising. What started as a boring instruction video has become a multi-million-dollar marketing campaign disguised as safety information. So next time you see singing flight attendants or animated mascots, remember, it's less about your safety and more about your engagement. Number 2, baggage handlers know every shortcut. Ever wonder how your luggage sometimes ends up at your destination faster than you do? Or not at all? That's because baggage handlers operate on a secret time code system. Each bag is tagged with not just your destination, but also priority routes based on class, status, and even airline partnerships. First class and loyalty members' bags are flagged for priority placement, meaning they're the first off the plane and first onto the belt. Meanwhile, economy passengers' bags, often loaded last, stacked deeper, and sometimes rerouted if the plane's weight balance changes. The result, elite passengers always get their bags first, and airlines never mention it. Number 1, the standby flight, trick airlines don't want you using. Here's the biggest secret of all. You can fly for a fraction of the price if you know how standby really works. Airlines quietly hold back a few unsold seats until the last minute for operational reasons. These can be released as standby or revenue recovery tickets for employees, partners, or certain travel agents. But here's the trick. You can politely ask for a revenue standby option at the counter if you see empty seats after boarding closes. If you're lucky, you might score a seat on a nearly full flight for half the price or get a free upgrade if you're polite and well-dressed. It's not a guarantee, but it's one of those insider secrets airlines hope you never learn. So, the next time you're in an airport, look around. You're surrounded by hidden systems, secret strategies, and psychological tricks all designed to control how you move, think, and spend. Air travel may seem routine, but behind the scenes, it's a world of precision and secrecy. If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden truths, give this video a like, subscribe for more fascinating travel secrets, and share it with someone who's flying soon. Because the more you know, the smoother your journey becomes.